Here's how to find hidden photos on iPhone iOS 18. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can find hidden photos on your iPhone device. And the version I'm using right now is iOS 18. So in iOS 18, the whole Photos app was like changed and revamped. So if you're having a hard time finding the hidden photos on your iPhone, so don't worry about it. I'm just gonna show you the easiest way on how you can find them. So just follow my steps. First, just basically open up the Photos app. And here, as you can see, I'm on Photos right now. And what you need to do is just basically scroll down until you see the option of hidden right over here. So here, as you can see, under the utilities, you'll see hidden. So if you press on it, it will just ask for your Face ID. So just press on view album and it will just scan your Face ID, and here you go. So here, as you can see, that it has two pictures inside it. So I just use these two pictures for example. So here, as you can see, this picture right over here. So you can just straight up do anything with it. You can just basically press on these three dots and you can straight up copy, duplicate, or unhide it. If you actually want to unhide it, you can just basically press on unhide and it will just remove from here. Here, as you can see, it's not in the hidden anymore. But for some people, they can't even see the hidden folder or hidden photos, whatever you want to call it. So there is a fix to that. What you need to do is just basically go to your settings. And once you're inside your settings, just basically scroll down till the bottom until you see the option of apps. Just basically press on that. And now it'll show you many apps. So you just gotta find photos. So let me just find photos real quick. Yeah, here we go. So we're just gonna go ahead and press on photos. And here, as you can see, it's just gonna show me multiple stuff, but you just gotta scroll down until you see show hidden album. So make sure this option is actually turned on. If it's turned off, you won't be able to find hidden folder or hidden album. So you just gotta basically turn this option on and you're good to go after that. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can find hidden photos on iPhone iOS 18. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.